Greetings dear traders, and you're watching the Daily Market Review with me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Alin. And our daily heading is dedicated to the technical analysis of Forex majors. And first pair will be intraday analysis of Euro and US dollar. So, Wednesday's sharp setback creates additional downside risk to the 1.3246 area. The Pro below 1.3366 completed a double top formation on the daily chart, and a push below Wednesday's low at 1.3315 is threatened. However, the structured broader Euro uptrend will remain intact, while projected support at 1.3138 holds. A recovery above 1.3423 is required to lift the tone to open the 1.3486 highs again. Weekly chart of Euro and US dollar trend is bullish. Next pair will be intraday analysis of US dollar versus Japanese yen. So Thursday's Asian session high at 81.40 remains vulnerable, while support at 80.83 holds. Wednesday's push above 80.83 strengthened the 79.80 and 80.1 support area, and regaining ground above 81.40 would bring this week 81.66 high back into focus. A setback below 80.83 would prompt a return to the 79.80 and 80.1 support area. Weekly chart of US dollar versus Japanese yen trend is bullish. Next pair, intraday analysis of Great Britain pound versus US dollar. So the Great Britain pound uptrend will remain intact, while projected support at 1.5894 holds. The recovery of 1.597 is expected to edge back up towards Wednesday's 1.5991 high, and a fresh wave of Great Britain pound bull pressure is required to force a break higher towards the double bottom measured objective at 1.6111. Failure to keep projected support at 1.5894 intact would damage the structure of the uptrend, leaving Thursday's low at 1.581 vulnerable. Weekly chart of Great Britain pound and US dollar trend is range. Next pair, intraday analysis of US dollar versus Swiss franc. The key resistance area between 0.9065 and 0.9088 is expected to cap the short-term corrective recovery, while 0.9088 caps US dollar bears are expected to prompt weakness back to the 0.8975, threatening an extension lower at to the February 24th reaction low at 0.8931. Longer-term US dollar bears are still on course for meeting downside objectives at 0.8810, derived from last week's completion of the bearish expanding triangle continuation pattern on the daily chart. On a sustained break above 0.9088 would question the broader negative turn, opening 0.9148. The weekly chart of US dollar versus Swiss franc trend is bearish. Okay, next pair and last pair for today will be intraday analysis of Australian dollar and US dollar. So the sharp setback of Wednesday's marginal high at 1.8857 is threatening further weakness below 1.0716. The week's low at 1.0651 will become the focus on the sustained break below 1.0716, which protects the important February 23 reaction low at 1.0598. A recovery above 1.0767 is required to provide respite, but only above 1.0825 would open the 1.0857 bull trap high once more. So, dear traders, weekly chart for Australian dollar and US dollar trends, we can say that it will be range. So, that's all for today. For additional information, you can visit our website www.grandcapital.net. It was me, financial analyst of Grand Capital Company, Sergey Lin. I wish you the fair trends and good luck. Bye.